From its inception, the replay system for Blizzard's multiplayer shooter Overwatch needed to support a variety of customer-facing and internal needs. In a fast-paced, team-oriented first-person shooter like Overwatch, kill cams help you understand how your hero died, highlights and plays of the game, celebrate individual prowess and team excellence, and replays prove invaluable in reproducing bugs. At DD 2017, Blizzard's Phil Pova gave an illuminating talk about how these systems were built, digging into, among other things, how to develop a replay system in parallel with your network model, how to generate and transfer rails within a hard-to-respond deadline, and how, and why, Blizzard refactored their game client architecture to support an interruptible kill cam. It was rich in technical details, and now you can watch it, completely free, over on the official GD YouTube channel. In addition to this presentation, THEGDC Vault and its accompanying YouTube channel offers numerous other free videos, audio recordings, and slides from many of the recent game developers conference events. And the service offers even more members-only content for DD Vault subscribers. Those who purchased all access passes to recent events, like DD, and would already have full access to DD Vault, and interested parties can apply for the individual subscription via the DD Vault subscription page. Group subscriptions are also available. Game-related schools and development studios who sign up for DD Vault Studio subscriptions can receive access for their entire office, accompanied by contacting staff via THEGDC Vault Group subscription page. Finally, current subscribers with access issues can contact DD Vault technical support as you are gearing up for the 2019 Game Developers Conference next month. Organizers would like to quickly let you know about some of the great day-long sponsored developer days you can enjoy during the show. All developer day sessions take place during the first 2 days of DD, Monday and Tuesday, March 18th and 19th, and offer cutting-edge insight and opportunities to learn from some of the top companies in the industry. Here's a sample of what's in store for you during the DD 2019 Developer Days, served up in an easy-to-read list format. A number of companies are presenting Dev Day sessions this year, and today we are excited to highlight offerings from Day 1. Keynote Video Games as Punk Rock, A History of Innovation. Join industry veteran Ruth Hillman, Madden Mill, Tiger Woods Golf, 200 others. A punk rock-infused look at the past, present, and future of innovation in the video game industry. Building computationally ridiculous games in the cloud. No matter the size or budget of your studio, the cloud is providing opportunities that were not possible even 5 years ago. Hear from industry veterans John Smedley, EverQuest, Louis Castle, Command & Conquer, Boom Blocks, Patrick Gilmore, Medal of Honor, The Lion King, and Rich Hillman. Need a speed Madden to learn how the OS Cloud can help you build fast and stay ahead. Making big decisions with big data. Game development is all about making choices. But without the right data, how do you know what's worth the development effort and cost? Learn how analytics solutions from Amazon can help you build and refine content that players truly enjoy. Do not break the internet. How to quickly scale to meet player demand. Hear from those teams who support studios that push the limits of scale like Epic Games, King, Rovio, and Ubisoft, and how you can keep your game up and running. Grow your game with Twitch. Using Twitch to reach customers is a given, but now you can break through in all new ways. In this session, learn how to empower your streamers to win new customers. through tournament creation tools, in-Twitch game invites, and much more. Alexa, give your game a voice. Explore how to use voice-first games with Alexa, reaching customers through tens of millions of Alexa devices. Learn about tools you can use to create engaging voice games, and hear how other developers like you are pushing boundaries. Day 2. Twitch for Games Playbook. This session dives into explore best practices and easy ways to integrate Twitch into your game regardless of where you are at in your development life cycle. Creating player engagement through content, competition, and conversation. By using smart AI, intelligent conversations, and dynamic content, you can help create engagement. Learn the ways to leverage this technology to drive in-game real-world pricing, easy to set up tournaments, influence marketing, and even Alexa, all available today from Amazon Game Tech. Getting started with machine learning and artificial intelligence. We are finally at the point when ML and AI are accessible to all kinds of game developers. Learn how those can help you engage and retain players by identifying trends, A/B testing, and even spotting abnormal player behavior in real time. Creating customized game events with machine learning. Learn how Yokozuna data, a keyword suited over those customer, is helping game developers like you take preventive actions aimed at maximizing player engagement to create optimal and personalized game experiences. Multiplayer made easy, how to deliver fast, fluid, and frictionless experiences, whether it's co-op or last player standing. Multiplayer games depend on reliable infrastructure and engagement strategies to keep players playing. Join experts from Amazon to learn how to connect and engage players from all over the world. Global operations, housing the scales its databases to support millions of players. Join Wilson G. Zing, the principal software engineer, and Sailesh Krishnamurthy, General Manager of Amazon Aurora, as they share how Zing achieves global scale and high availability using Amazon Aurora, an MySQL-compatible relational database from Moz. Welcome and looking ahead. Facebook Gaming in 2019. Facebook's Global Director of Games Partnerships will welcome developers, partners, and peers to Developer Day, and provided Developer Day session overview and outline of key activities for the week. Vivek Sharma, Director of Product Management, and Bray Miller, Manager of Product Design for Facebook Gaming, will talk how we build for success and all the gaming business solutions we will have in the market for 2019. Monetization strategies that drive revenue. A publisher's journey to success. We will discuss how to successfully integrate engaging ads as revenue source, ad formats that complement the game journey, and implementation best practices. We will follow with a fireside chat with the top publisher to discuss how they grow their business by introducing ad monetization within an in-app purchase ecosystem, as well as diversifying their business model. Instant games finding instant success. Discussions with Zynga, Knock Knock, Moonfrog, and Sundatos. Join us for a panel discussion with some of the most successful instant game developers to hear about key learnings on the platform and how that translates to best practices for instant games. The panel will be followed by a presentation from partner engineer Chris Hawkins, who will discuss technical implementations for some of the best practices. Instant games monetization with publisher soft games data insights for success. Learn how to integrate and optimize monetization solutions from the product team and soft games. One of the most successful developers on the instant games platform. Then, learn more about data-derived insights on the best ways to build instant games for the platform. From Facebook gaming's data scientists. Mobile games launch strategies under what's new in mobile creative. Hear from industry experts on best practices for mobile game launches, including how to develop your creative strategy, how to leverage optimization solutions, and formulate your measurement strategy, and learn about the consumer shift to ephemeral content, and how to effectively implement stories and playable ads into your mobile advertising creative strategy, how gaming communities drive downloads, play, and monetization. How powerful is the concept of community in influencing game discovery, engagement, and in-game purchase decisions?